This is Colin Dijs with Dijs University, and in this video we're going to see which landing pages convert best for native ads and why. So the best landing pages you can build, you can use for native ads.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
So I'm going to show you a couple of different examples inside Landerize. I will explain you why and which offers work the best for them. So there are offers with video sales letters and advertorials. There is a big difference between the two. So let's just grab this, the first one. Let's say test one, and let's see why this offer works so well, right? So let's remove this for a second. We're not going to edit it. So this landing page you can customize to whatever you need, right? So we're going to go in the marketplace, go to health and fitness, or we can even type in diabetes, because that's what this offer is for. And reverse type 2 diabetes, probably it's diabetes freedom, the best performing offer. So if you would use this simple page, this lender, one blood sugar trick, would put you probably to this offer. You want to promote an offer with a video sales letter using this type of page. That's why we're using a very simplistic page. So because we're running native ads, the advertisement or advertorial has to be at the top. So that's what we put there, it's already there. Then there comes a logo with the brand. So the brand is related to your domain for your bridge page. So this one got a standard version of Healthy Patriot. You can do Healthy Zone, you can do Healthy Club, whatever your brand is, you make a small logo in any of the editor tools, put a small icon with it, and that's your brand. This you can leave the same, it's just a social proof image. So Eric Whitfield made this. You can change the date, you can change the views, it doesn't really matter much, right? Then there's a big headline. Attention grabbing headline, the first thing people will read. Whether it's mobile or desktop, people will skip this, right? People will skip these three elements. They will look at the blood sugar trick. So whatever you're gonna put here, put a strong headline, right? Just put a strong headline, then the image, right? This image, so this image, this image and the watch now button will all push them to the offer. Big attention grabbing image. One blood sugar trick keeps blood sugar normal, try tonight. You're wondering, what is this, right? Baking soda in a water bottle, what's going on? Click. Or you read this copy and then you click, right? This is not a page where people will stay on for long. You want them to be here 10 seconds, max 20 seconds to read this, click. You want to push them to the offer. Average click-through rate on this lender between 30 to 45%, right? Offers like this with a video sales letter is great to use with this landing page. So the combination, short lender, short, brief curiosity trigger, gets them to click through the lender to this actual offer, where the video sales letter will send them on the actual offer and pull in that conversion, hopefully, right? So that's number one. Then there is another lender which I want to show you, which also works really well. Again, it says video sales letter. So this is also used with video sales letter. You can split test this. This is not my favorite one, but you can edit this. Again, short information, diabetes, the whole copy, and then the image with the play button, watch now. It is almost the same. It will be displayed side to side from each other, right? But as it's too big, it's been pushed down. Very important that this is almost the same lender. The social proof is a little bit different. The text is in a different place, but these two lenders, the same big headline, reverse diabetes, a doctor on the image with a play, count, and then watch now. The sole purpose of this is to push them to the actual offer, right? However, so this is these two, if you go to my landing pages, test 1 and test 2, that is for video sales letters, ClickBank offers. ClickBank offers, however, only cover maybe less than 1% of all available offers. Most available offers look like this. So this is the affiliate network. Let's go with Instant Keto, preview landing page. So this is a straight sale product. This is what they all look like, right? blah, 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 blah. So this is when it still was a trial. So now it's a straight sale. They fill in this information. They go to the next page. They have to put in their credit card and buy the product, right? This is not a video sales letter, so you cannot use these two lenders. So what are you going to use? One thing we always use on native and will always use is an advertorial page. And let me show you what I mean with an advertorial page. It's basically a testimonial news style page. 1 second. Whew, bless me. A news style page with all the information the people need to absorb. Maximum click-through rate on this, around 7 to 8%, quite low. However, the conversion rate is really high, right? So let's go back to my landing pages. Click-through rate here and here, 30 to 45%, conversion rate below 10%, right? So 5 to 10%, sometimes even worse. Advertorial click-through rate between 1 and max 8%. However, conversion rate up to 25%, right? So big difference there. I like personally the advertorial. I like to promote these kind of products moving away from ClickBank because there's so many affiliates promoting ClickBank offers. However, as you can see, this the payout for this. So the people pay $65 and it pays out, what's the payout? The payout is for this offer $93. So you can see 93, if you want to test it on native, you need quite a significant budget. Fortunately, I have that, but very important that at least you take that into consideration promoting neutral products like this, right? So this is the lender example. And you can see there's no video sales letter or whatever. If you press rush my order, you go back to the top, right? So you have some testimonials, they have all this shit, right? So very, very nice, good lender, proven, right? There's literally hundreds of these kind of lenders. They all look the same. Bottle, pros and cons, pros, basically, no cons, features, push the thing to the order form, some skinny side check on the left, all works, they all look the same. But back to Landerize. So you have the huge thing. So $4 weight loss solution that naturally burns fat, gets biggest deal in Dragon's show history. So this is a Dragon's Den angle, like Shark Tank, but you can make it any angle you want. Obviously, there's a tremendous amount of edits you have to make to this. If you see how long the landing page is, how many variables Landerize supports for you to adjust, which means that most of the people will go for the video sales letter. Very short lender to edit, very simple to get offers for ClickBank. However, this is also where the most competition is because people are fucking lazy. Therefore, when I run this type of lender, so you can run this for Nutra, you can run this for crypto, you can run this for Forex, there is very little competition, right? You have an extreme big pool of profitable widgets on native because most people are too fucking lazy to even alter this lender. This lender is specially made for this offer. So you would need to adjust a lot of the things, right? It might take you 2 hours to adjust this entire lender. However, once you do, you have obviously a great foundation to get to that profitable campaign. So these lenders for video sales letters only. It says it here in the titles when you go to the template. Video sales letter 1, video sales letter 2. Nutra advertorial. Advertorial meaning not going to a video sales letter. They need more information. You want to drag them into the story, selling basically the product that you're promoting, right? So if we edit this, it goes on and on. It shows readers results, right? So blah, blah, blah. Never before had the judging panel, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is all the pros of the product, all the people who have great results with it, blah, 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 and then push the product, right? We can do this, if it's true or not, doesn't matter, because native ads have very limited rules. So these lenders obviously work very, very successful. With a $90 payout, $93, you get an insane amount of room. Obviously, you cannot run this offer with $100 a day in spend, right? You need a lot more to be able to get it going. However, these offers are super interesting and have a tremendous amount of potential. So for beginners, I would still say I recommend you to focus on this one. This one is my personal favorite. This one is the one I always use, but I've seen a lot of guys use this one and do it very well, very, very profitable. But I like this one personally, Nutra Video Sales Letter 1. You can alter it, so it doesn't have to be Nutra, but you can alter it how many you like. However, the template is for Nutra. So what you're going to do then is ClickBank this one, and this one is for straight sale products or trials. So now I was focused on Nutra. However, this goes for everything running on native. It is either a simplistic page with a mention to push the click-through, or it's an advertorial. And mostly you will see the advertorial style pages. So this video was mainly focused on Nutra examples, because that's what I'm focused on right now. But if you have any questions about the landing pages and how to use them, let me know in the comments down below. If anything was unclear, thank you so much for watching. I hope you now understand a thing or two about native ads and landing pages, and I will see you guys in the next one.